Are you tired of traditional cable TV? Want to learn how to access your favorite shows over the internet with IPTV? Today, I'll guide you through the essentials of selecting the best IPTV service provider, ensuring you get value for your money. First, define your viewing needs. Are you a sports fan, a movie buff, or someone who loves international channels? Listing your priorities will help narrow your options. Next, research service providers. Some top names include Stremc, known for its 99.9% uptime and anti-buffering technology, and Magenta TV, which offers over 180 channels in HD. Compare their features, prices, and user reviews for a clearer picture. Once you've shortlisted providers, check for compatibility. Ensure the service works with your devices, whether it's a smart TV, tablet, or streaming box. Most services offer apps for popular platforms, but always confirm. Look for a free trial. Many IPTV services allow you to test them out before committing. Utilize these trials to test the interface, channel selection, and streaming quality. Pay attention to buffering times and overall performance. Subscription costs are next. Some IPTV providers offer flexible plans, so choose one that fits your budget. Typically, monthly subscriptions range from $10 to $50, depending on channel offerings and service quality. Pay attention to customer support. Reliable providers offer quick help through live chat or phone. This can be crucial if you encounter issues later on. Lastly, read the fine print. Check for hidden fees, cancellation policies, and contract lengths. This step can save you from unexpected charges or commitments. In summary, choosing an IPTV provider involves understanding your needs, researching options, testing services, and ensuring you have great customer support. Follow these steps, and you'll find the perfect IPTV service for your streaming needs.